Alright guys, here's how to find an audiobook in your Audible app. Bless me, that did not taste good. On your iPhone or Android. I'm gonna save some time for about 10% of you and tell you that you cannot do this on your computer. Okay? You can't do this on your computer. Alright, so you bought an audiobook with money or a credit, hopefully a credit, unless the book was well below $10 or just plain free. So you got an audiobook and you don't know where to find it and listen to it. In this video, that's exactly what we're gonna cover. Go on your iPhone, open the Audible app, and at the bottom you're gonna see all 4 of those icons. Tap the one that says library. This is all the books that you've purchased or downloaded in the past. Now you can filter these all by like titles, not started, in progress, downloaded, or finished, but then we're not gonna do any of that. Here's what we're gonna do. On the top right, the very top right, there's gonna be a search icon that looks like this. It's a circle with a line coming out of it. For any of my viewers who, for whatever reason, don't know what a search icon looks like, tap that icon, type in the name of the book you're looking for in your library. Once you're done, if you hit search on the keyboard, it should be right there at the top. It'll specify in your library to let you know that this is a book that's in your library. This is a good way to find any and all audiobooks in your library by a certain author too, by the way, if you're looking for those. But whatever you're looking for in your library, chances are if it's something specific, you can find it using this wonderful search bar. And just so you guys know, this is literally exactly what to do. It's very simple. You open the app, go to library, hit the search icon, and search for the audiobook, and it'll be there. That's all. If these directions are not clear and you get your tail fins stuck on the ceiling fan or your Nintendo Switch blows up in the air fryer, I'm just kidding. If any of that happens, just like, please wake up, because chances are you're probably having a really bad dream. But in all seriousness, if any of these instructions are giving you trouble, my best guess is it's something either with the app or your phone. What does this mean? Well, I suggest at least making sure that your phone and the app are both up to date. And once you do this, if you're still having problems, especially if you're a member, you should be able to just give Audible a call at 1-888-283-5051 and they can help you out. Something else that's pretty nice is they also have live chat agents. And I'm saying that for people watching this who are like my girlfriend, who hate calling people on the phone, but this is pretty cool. Audible is a subsidiary of Amazon, who strictly pride themselves on providing premier customer service. So anyone who works there and screws up either probably doesn't do it again or just gets fired. Who knows? But I hope this video helped you guys. If it didn't, or if there's anything else that any other questions you have about Audible or credits or anything like that, let me know in the comments below and I'll try to make sure that I make a video about it. I've made other videos about Audible and how it works, and some people didn't find those helpful. So I'm trying to make as many videos as I can about different functions and features in the app so I can do what I am convinced I sort of failed to do earlier this year. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, because I don't get why people watch this far into my videos and they don't subscribe. But if you have subscribed and you want to turn it up just a notch and turn on that notification bell to get a notification whenever I drop new videos, that would mean the world to me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. You can find me everywhere and I will see you then.